Hi friends, welcome back to the Programmer Get YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about the collectors.group by function and collector method. Okay, see, suppose your business requirement is right, you want to do this some function operation. Okay, so right, function is going to be taken input argument and returns the value by using the applying the function. So after that, if you want to perform some operation by using the collectors, right? So in that case, in this special scenario, you can use the group by function comma collector method. Okay. So suppose right the requirement is like, suppose right, count the number of characters in the given string. Okay, each character how many times it repeatedly coming. So in that time, right, so it is going to be do the function perform, and also collectors dot counting method is there. So not only counting, whatever the other collectors collector dot group by is going to be do, right, you can do the same kind of operations like collectors dot function comma collectors dot group by comma function comma collectors dot group by function also you can do. So such kind of group extreme cascade grouping scenario, so you can use the collectors dot group by function collector method. Okay, so let's see the syntax. Okay, it is a static method. Okay, so collector of map grouping by function super T extends K classifier collector super T downstream. So what it means that, right? So whatever the get data it has been given, right? So that data is going to return the map information. Okay, so like a key and value pair. Okay, whatever I had told, right, number of character name is the key and count is the value, like that it is going to display. So here, right, tkad are the parameters. So t represents the type of input elements, k represents the type of keys, a represents the intermediate accumulation types to downstream collector. So it means whatever the displaying value like key, I mean in map value is going to be there, right, that is going to be display, and d is the result type of downstream reduction. Okay, so k and d is going to be display as a map result. Okay, especially it returns a collector implementing a cascaded group of by operation on input elements time t. It is grouping the elements according to classification function. So that means whatever the data is there, right, it is going to be implementing the grouping cascaded data. That means multiple data is going to be grouping together. Okay, so and then performing the reduction operation on the values associated with the given key using the specified downstream collector. Okay, so reduction operation means, right, combining the data into a single entity. Okay, the classification function maps an element some key downstream t. The classification function maps element to some key type k. Downstream collector operator operates on the elements type t and produces a result type d. That means whatever the data is going to be take the input, right, it will perform the operation on the downstream collector. Okay, it is going to be display as a end result type d. Okay, here, right, classifier function mapping into the input elements to key, and downstream is implementing the downstream reduction operation. As I told you, right, like D is going to be downstream, and it is going to be evaluate the value of the given input. I mean, it is going to be collector operation on the given input. Okay, if you see the example, right, you will get better understanding. Okay, let me go coming to the example. See, here I'm taking one example like list of items, array list, India, India, USA, India, Japan, USA, in England. Okay, I wanted to display the count of each characters. So for that, right, whatever the list is there, right, list of items dot stream dot collectors dot group by c functional, since it is a functional, right, so you can use the lambda expression function of c collectors dot counting. So here each value in the items, right, it is going to be function, the count the data, I mean it will count the actual information like India, USA, Japan, and after that it is going to be performed. Since I told you, right, function is going to take an input argument and returns the data. So here it is going to be take the string as the input arguments as a list of data, so it is going to display the result as a string. Okay, let me execute this program. See here, right, USA, so USA is two times occurred, so two numbers has been displayed, Japan one, England. So such a way it is going to be works. Okay, let's see the other example. This is the one of the interview question which I have encountered. So like string input equals to java e, java e. Okay, so here we want to count the each individual characters. Here, right, input is characters, so that input characters dot map to object I'm converting. Okay, so this map to object character of c, whatever this map to object of character c is, right, so this is going to be converted into the stream object. Map to object is nothing but stream. Actually, if you see the right, API definition, right, returns an object value stream considering the result of the applying the given function of the stream. Okay, and the end result is going to be a stream. Okay, so it converts the stream. So each characters, right, each character j, a, v, a, like that, everything is going to be converted as a sequence of characters. After that it is going to be grouping by, and grouping by c comma collectors dot counting. That means each data, right, is going to be hold here character, and each character is going to be count. Okay, let me execute here. See, A is 4 times, E capital E is 2 times, B is 2 times, J is 2 times capital G. So such a way it is going to be used. See, whenever your requirement is like you want to perform some operation apart from the functional operation, right, you can use the this grouping by function. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like the content of the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel for future videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.